Now.
Hi guys, it's Edward here.
Cat filmed.
What?
Film the dog.
And I'm going to do some tricks with my lovely black
I
lab
can't
dog.
film your face.
You can, Bramble. Hello, Bramble. So we're going to get the ball. See the ball?
I'm one.
We're going to throw the ball and Bramble will catch it in midair. Give me the ball back. Give me the ball.
Sorry about this, guys. This is a random moment. Have a look at this. Ba, 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 ba. Ba, la, ba, 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 ba.
Okay, go ahead. Go to that side.
Okay. Da, 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 da.
Come on. So 3, 2, 1. Oh, nearly go, nearly. Ready? 3, 2, 1. It's like volleyball here. Try and catch it. Ready? Oh! Did you see that? You caught it.
Now goodbye because this is really annoying.
Good girl.
Now goodbye, guys. This is Viper 1, 1, 2, and this is the weird guys. Now goodbye.